If you're watching this video, it's for one of two reasons. Number one, somebody sent you this video and said, hey, I think you should check this home out because I want you to get first dibs on it before it goes on the market. Or number two, you actually clicked on the video because you wanted to check out the nightclub that is downstairs in the basement. Well, whichever one you are, it doesn't matter. My name is Perez and I'm here to give you a tour of this 9,200 square foot home located in East Mesa that has been completely renovated inside out. And let me tell you, no expenses were spared. There is so many details in here. This was gonna be a short video for now, just to give you a tease and let you know what we're working with. And if you want more information about anything regarding the address or pricing that is to be determined, be sure to reach out to me because all my information is below. With that being said, let's get started with the tour. Okay, welcome inside of this absolutely gorgeous home. First thing that you're gonna notice is the lighting. The lighting is incredible, so bear with me because you're going to see it a lot throughout the video. This home is one of the most modern homes I've ever seen. The interior design, it looks like it's right out of HGTV. What I really love about it is that every single piece of lighting in the home connects, so you can control all of the light fixtures to any color you want at the touch of a button. Now the kitchen. I mean, oh boy, I would love to kick in this kitchen every single day. The fridge is stone. It goes all the way to the top. I don't even know how they did it, but honestly, that is not my problem. Now, as we go to the master is probably bigger than a lot of people's houses. I mean, there is space everywhere. It has gorgeous finish. Everything in the closet is for his and hers. I mean, the bed is absolutely incredible. It has its own washer and dryer inside of the bathroom. And not to mention the bathroom. It's like a 5-star resort in here. And the hidden gem is the amount of daylight that comes inside of the room as well. So you don't even have to have all these lights on all the time. But let's get to the best part, the part that you guys have been waiting for. This is the downstairs area, the basement. Yes, a basement in Arizona with its own washer and dryer. And it continues with the theme of the light changing. Not to mention, it has a theater. Well, really a theater and a half if you ask me. And on top of that, we have extra bedrooms down here. But the part that you've been waiting for, the club scene. Look at the lights, look at the way they go. You can turn this thing into a party very, very easily. Honestly, I love it down here and I would make the entire downstairs my own home. Now, to wrap it up, let's go outside. Again, this is over an acre lot and I love the exterior color, the putting greens, the trampoline, you have a big pool. But before I let you go, there's one more thing I wanted to mention. It is that we have a 10+ car garage. We also have flexibility for a spa that's coming soon. And not to mention, there is still flexibility to make this your own. So if you guys want any more details or you want a private showing, all of my information is listed below. With that being said, this is Perez, your Phoenix Realtor, here for all your real estate needs. See you guys soon.